Hey y'all, so today we're gonna be partnering up with Yolissa Hair. We're gonna be doing a cute little blonde moment, like a shaggy blonde layered moment. I'm in New York right now for Halloween and I don't have no blonde wigs. So Yolissa was kind enough to send me a blonde wig while I'm over here in New York for my Halloween costume. I'll be doing a wolf vibe with blonde hair, so this is the wig right here. The knots are cute, I love the small knots. The wig could have been a little bigger, but it was fine, just order a large if you do have a large head. But yeah, the knots were fine. It came pre-plucked. So now I'm going ahead and just installing her. So I'm gonna let you all just see this, listen to the music, vibe out. I'm gonna do my regular install. I actually used lace glue for today because I went outside and I didn't need nothing moving around. So I used like one layer of even lace glue and then I followed up with some hairspray. The wig did come curled. I actually toned the wig to get it this natural blonde color. I toned it to get this color. I forgot the exact color that I used. If anybody wanted to know, just leave a comment down below and I'll let you all know. But yeah, I'm just gonna install the wig like normal.
cooking. Cooking.
Is the final look. Super cute. I love the way it came out, the bang moment, everything about it. I rate this wig like a 8 out of 10, honestly. I wish it was a little bit bigger in the lace. I wish it was a 13 by 6, but yeah, other than that, I really like the wig.